What's up everyone, Brandon here from IGN. I've got something pretty fun and super cool to show you. Xbox and Taco Bell have partnered together to bring you the Xbox One X Platinum Edition bundle that you can win just for eating Taco Bell. Our good friends at Taco Bell were kind enough to send one to us, so I'm going to open it for you now to show you exactly what comes in this bundle. First off, you can see the box is branded Taco Bell. It's nice wavy lines there, but the really cool part's what's inside. So there it is, everything that comes in the bundle. You get the Xbox One X Platinum Edition. This is a 1 terabyte Xbox One X and that exclusive Platinum Edition color scheme. You also get a white Xbox One Elite controller. This is the new color scheme that was introduced not too long ago. This itself retails for $150, so that's a pretty awesome part of the bundle. You get, of course, 3 months of Game Pass, 3 months of Xbox Live Gold, and an exclusive background wallpaper that heavily features Taco Bell. And then you also get a white stand to put your Xbox One X up vertically. So now I'm going to open it and show you why this Xbox One X is so special. Okay, there you go. So with everything open, this is the Elite controller. This is the white special edition version. Of course, that is just your standard Elite controller with the white painting or the white finish on it. But this is really the big exclusive here. It's the Platinum Edition. It is your white Xbox One X with this platinum gradient running top to bottom. It's cool. The gradient is really nice. It's subtle. And then it's actually painted on there. It's not a decal or a sticker or anything. That's the actual color of the plastic itself. And then the coolest feature of this Xbox One X, of course, every time you turn it on, you're reminded to think outside the bun. So there you go, there's everything you get in the limited edition Platinum Xbox One X bundle that you can only win by participating with local Taco Bells. Again, the contest starts October 18th, 2018 and runs through November 21st, 2018. You can enter by purchasing a $5 double chalupa box with which you will get a code that you can then text in or go online and see if you are a winner of one of these pretty sweet bundles. I do have to say, I'm really liking the color scheme, and it comes with an Elite controller, so like you can't go wrong there. But there you have it. For everything Xbox One X, you are already in the right place right here on IGN.